Here we are, folks. The pellets have definitely gone up in cost. Last year was $5.19 and $5.49. Got a big pile over here.
Stay away.
They got some pellets here. Yeah, these are pellets. And low ash and all that good stuff, what you want to look for. This is a Lowe's brand here of pellets, and they are $6.29. And you can see they got bags and bags and bags of pellets. They're really stacked up. A lot of it's due to the cost of the pellets. No one's really grabbing this stuff early. They might grab it when the weather changes. There's a couple of pallets over there. Lots of salt, getting ready for the winter. And you got some the wood stacked. And this used to be considered expensive, but this right here is just wood. You know, straw. Look at this here. Interesting product. Straw blanket. Weed free. $18.70 per straw. Just roll it out over your garden, and it keeps down weeds. And and I'd use this 50 foot rolls, 100% weed free straw. They claim 100%. All right, this is the Morning Gardener, Part 2.